Hey guys, Swepco Rap Performance here. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my way to do a down and dirty floor patch. You have rust, you don't have time to take it off the road and put floor pans in it. Floor pans can be done in like a weekend, but when's the last person you know that actually was able to do it all in one weekend? Not exactly possible. So if you just want to patch it real quick and get it on the road, this is something you can do. Or if you don't have floor pans and you can't find floor pans for your car, you can do this as well. You could apply some of this. This is a little bit of a mess, I'm not gonna lie, because I thought the hole was smaller, so then I had to make it larger after I started tapping around my body hammer and realized that it kept going through here. But man, I looked pretty strong. Should be good to go. I'm gonna knock it with the grinder, touch it up a little bit. But let's say you're starting something like this, completely gone. I went around, wire wheeled everything up. I put little cross braces across. Should add some strength. And then I'm gonna weld everything all together, and it should be pretty strong. So right here I got my patch panel that I just made using some cardboard, tracing it out, cutting it out, put it on a sheet of metal. I lined up and then I drilled these holes. These are gonna be plug welds onto those cross braces to try to give it a little more extra strength than just plain old sheet metal. So I have some flat stock cross braces. So again, this started laying some of those plug welds. Add strength so I can marry all this with the body hammer. So now everything is flat and then I can stitch it all together. So guys, I got all tacked in, plugged. It's pretty strong. Feel it vibrate through the car. Should be good. I'm going to show you how nice you can get this. I'm going to grind it down, probably put some seam sealer and paint it, and it'll look a lot better than it does right now. But now I'm on to move and fix that.